Hi, my name is Mohammed Zafil and I'm 53 years old this year. My previous job was in the culinary industry as a professional chef for almost 20 years. During that pandemic, culinary industry, F&B industry have been affected badly. And myself have been dramatically forced to cut pay. I have been thinking a lot about career switch, and the first thing in my mind is IT. Nowadays, technology have been rapidly improving from years to years, and this is the time that I need to learn and upskill myself. And the next move is I have to find the institution that aligns with my goals. The first catch is Lithan Academy, and also I compare with other company, but Lithan Academy have get back to me in just like that. During my 6 months of journey in the Lithan Academy, the management have been very helpful to me. So I tried to catch up. The mentor was there to guide me throughout my module. Every mentor have their expertise on the module, and they're very, very patient. And also they accommodate me during the weekend when I really want to do my assignment or during my homework, they will reply to me. That is what I like about this Lithan Academy. After completed my course and graduation in 2023, the talent specialists have been always there for me, and also to attend the workshop that to improve our CV, and also about how to conduct the interview online or face-to-face question and answer. In May, I went for the interview, and finally I got a job. Talent specialists have been providing me the interview, and they are very focused towards me to place a job aligned with my course and my skill. My family have been very supportive from the day one that I learned and throughout my graduation. And now that they found out that I have a job placement, and they're very happy. You know, I'm excited to move on with my new career and looking forward for the next step. Now that I have been selected as a desktop support engineer, I'm looking forward with my new roles in the company. And I want to learn more and to be good in IT fields. Or moving forward, the next that I want to find a suitable course that aligns with my my job in the company. Maybe cybersecurity or cloud administrator.